The BWCA has a new trainer, Mr. Jamie Enright, and BWCA courses resume this September. Getting ready for the courses, Jamie has spent much of the summer out in the field, cleaning windows with top local window cleaners previously trained at the BWCA in Swindon and Bristol. When not engaged in hands-on window cleaning, Jamie has been learning side by side, training with the founder of the British Window Cleaning Academy, Craig Morlam, and Ruben Reynolds. Ready to deliver revamped courses, Jamie is introducing new material, bringing the 4 core BWCA courses bang up to date. From a training background, Jamie's energetic style of teaching will continue to be augmented by both Craig and Ruben, who together bring nearly 60 years of window cleaning experience. The 4 courses include a skills course that focuses on traditional window cleaning with squeegees. On this course, if you've never used squeegees before, you'll leave having mastered the basics with an understanding about how to avoid simple mistakes as well as workplace injuries. Even seasoned veterans are guaranteed to learn some new skills that will reduce fatigue and speed up your working day. Craig, who started on houses in 1985 and ended his practical window cleaning career as an abseiling window cleaner, knows all the tricks of the trade and passes them on during the practical part of the day. In 1995, Craig developed modern water-fed poles and pure water window cleaning systems for use in his own business. And later, in 1997, Craig went on to launch the Reach and Wash system, bringing the advantages of window cleaning from the safety of the ground to the wider window cleaning industry. Today, his company, Ionic Systems Limited, remains the world's leading water-fed poles and systems manufacturer. On the BWCA's WaterFed pole course, you'll learn about water chemistry and how filter systems work, as well as how to operate a water-fed pole correctly for speed and efficiency. In every workplace, safety is of primary importance. On this course, we'll teach you about water-fed pole safety to the industry standard that the BWCA were instrumental in developing. In any business, there's nothing that will bring your forward-thinking progress to a full stop quicker than an accident in the workplace. On the BWCA's Health and Safety course, we'll introduce you to the legislation that you can't ignore. We'll advise you about the simple steps that you can take to prevent accidents and insulate your business against the chilling effects of getting it wrong. We promote health and safety for window cleaners in a buoyant and easy to follow format. On this course, it's our mission to make you aware of your responsibilities and the consequences, whilst also pointing out how easy and profitable it can be for you to get it right. I mentioned that Craig started his window cleaning business in 1985. He says that establishing a new business back then was both easier and yet more difficult than it is now. That sounds like a confused statement, but in terms of marketing, it's absolutely true. During Craig's 35 years in window cleaning, he's seen many others come and go. Craig puts the key to his own success down to good marketing and never failing to move with the times. On the BWCA's marketing course, you'll learn marketing basics that never change, techniques from the past that still work today, as well as how to adopt, utilize, and embrace digital marketing. Whether you're marketing on a tight budget, or even if you have resources to spare, we'll help you build an existing business or get you away to a good start on the BWCA's marketing course. The BWCA was founded in 1997, and Craig says that there are few things in his business life more gratifying than meeting someone at a trade show who comes up and says, "Remember me? I came on your course in 2000 and something." Craig tells me that when people go on to say that they're still in window cleaning and they've built their businesses bigger, better and faster due to the BWCA training, it makes him feel great to know that he helped others to get off to a good start. The 4 BWCA courses fit together to provide all the knowledge a window cleaner needs to propel their business forward. Since 1997, the BWCA has trained thousands of window cleaners. Some travelled from other countries, but all left with the tools to move forward. Jamie represents the next chapter in the BWCA's story of teaching success, the latest techniques, equipment and best practice and marketing advantages to the modern window cleaner.